We are a CNC source manufacturer. Our main products are CNC parts, mechanical parts, hardware products, stamping parts, etc. We have advanced equipment such as high-speed machine, tapping machine, milling machine, grinder, spark machine, wire cutting machine, etc. We focus on small batch production and provide one-stop service. Our processing range includes CNC turning, CNC finishing, CNC rough machining, CNC drilling and tapping, CNC tapping, CNC electroplating, CNC surface treatment, etc. We provide free proofing. Welcome to consult with us. We look forward to working with you to create brilliance together.